Hey folks, welcome back. It's another FPV Crate unboxing. This is for the month of January 2020. Here we go. Okay, as usual, in the top we have all our flappy stuff. Got the thank you card. We've got a killer deal, which is some booster motors, props, and a frame. $84.99. So enjoy that if you like it. Pretty neat stickers. These are from the Yima frame that we got in last month's box. And on the top, we've got some doll props. These are the Spitfire 5147.5. Pretty thin blade profile, kind of rigid. Popo compatible. So, all right, it'd be interesting to give those a shot. We got 1, 2, 3 sets of those guys. We have a FPV Crate F7. Huh. What is this guy? I wonder who makes this. It looks like... I honestly don't know who makes it, but it's an F7. SDA SCL pads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 UARTs possibly. Let's see, we got a RX4 on this here. A TX4 here. Oh wow, it's pretty full featured. It doesn't have a SD card reader for black box logging, but still, that is quite all right. Let's see, what gyro is in this guy? It is a MPU 6000. And it's using an STM32 F722 processor. So pretty standard stuff there. This is a full-size 30 by 30 board. Pretty neat. So what do we got here? We got a Foxeer camera of some sort. Foxeer Razor Micro. Interesting. I've seen pictures of these and they look pretty nice. So it's a micro camera format, a lot like the Predators. Use an M8 lens, 1.8 millimeter lens. We got the OSD ground VCC. So VCC, does that mean this thing will run off the 6S? Oh, sure. Huh? 4.5 to 25 volts. Wow. 1200 TV lines. It's a 4.3 camera. And PAL NTS switchable. It does come with the controller board, harness, and some hardware. It doesn't come with a adapter to make it fit in full-size camera openings, but I think those are kind of getting phased out as it is. And last in the box, we have a shirt. Let's see. Okay, so it's going to be the Yima frame. I kind of have a feeling that we're getting parts to build up a race frame this time instead of a acro frame. Really cool shirt. I like this. I like the color. It's not a black shirt, which is kind of nice, especially living where I do, where it's super hot all the time. So yeah, pretty neat shirt. Nice looking shirt. I like that. All right, folks. Well, that is pretty much it for this month's FPV Crate. Let's see how much they think you saved. Oh, they took the prices off of this. Interesting. Up till now, the very first box, they didn't have it, and then all the boxes after then had the values of everything. So, no value, couple bucks, t-shirt. So, probably the big item here is the flight controller and the camera. As always with these boxes, you do get more than what you're paying for the box, but it is kind of a random assortment of stuff you may or may not have really wanted. So, Anyways, that's it. That is the GetFPV FPV Crate for January 2020. If you like what I'm doing here, please like and subscribe. Check out in the video description ways you can help me out if you really feel like I deserve some help. I would appreciate it greatly. And as always, guys, I will see you all next time. Peace.